The daily grind of shoes, mud, crumbs, and spills can take a toll on a car's carpet, creating a messy eyesore and dragging down your vehicle's resale value. That's why a good floor mat or liner can pay for itself over time. There are many products available to choose cheap rubber floor mats for car, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap rubber floor mats for car from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Introtech Hexomat. The compromise in protection, Hexomat custom fit mats lack raised edges. But they still provide more complete coverage than a less expensive universal mat, without the higher cost of floor liners. If you want a custom fit floor mat but don't want to spend the money on a premium liner, we recommend the Introtech Hexomat, which splits the difference in cost and coverage between a universal mat and a model-specific liner. The Hexomat lacks the higher side walls of liners like our top pick, but it does provide wall-to-wall footwell coverage and a design that helps contain spills. Number 2. MotorTrend Eco-Clean Car Rubber Floor Mats. An inexpensive mat that doesn't look cheap, but like all universal fit mats, it lacks raised edges and doesn't provide as much protection as custom fit mats and liners. If you just want an inexpensive basic universal floor mat to provide some protection for your car's carpet or spruce up an older car on a tight budget, we like the MotorTrend Odorless Rubber Floor Mats best. Made by custom auto crews, they have a look and feel that belies their low price, and a relatively flat design that makes them easier to clean than more aggressive looking mats we tested. But like other inexpensive mats, they tended to move around more than we'd like, and will require periodic adjustment to keep them in place. Like all traditional mats, they also lack the high side walls and precise fit of our top pick, and therefore don't provide the same wall-to-wall coverage and protection. Number 3. Husky Liners Exact Contour Floor Liners. Husky came out ahead in our head-to-head with WeatherTech, and readers agreed. Commenters said that Huskies are a softer material and lay much better or easy to keep clean, and I had absolutely no issues with it, and it fit perfectly and did not move. They particularly praised the larger size that covers more of the floor, stay-put knobs on the bottom, and pliable rubber construction that lays flat. Husky calls those knobs stay-put cleats, and there are a lot of them that will grip into your factory carpets. These will probably not be a good choice if you have a bare floor. A raised edge fits very tightly along the door jamb, and reaches up under seats to help keep dirt and water from escaping from the grooves. The exact contour is more or less equivalent to the WeatherTech floor liner, and a more upscale Husky Weatherbeater model is available, which the company positions above the WeatherTech floor liner HP. Like the premium competition, Husky uses a laser measuring system for a custom fit. We've occasionally had problems with custom floor mats in standard transmission vehicles, which may not have been measured separately from automatic versions of the same model, so we suggest checking in on a vehicle-specific forum if. Number 4. Rugged Ridge All-Terrain Floor Liners. Off-roaders know they'll eventually track a mess back into the cabin of their vehicle, which makes Rugged Ridge's all-terrain floor liners an attractive option if you're looking for protection against mud. Using state-of-the-art technology, these floor mats are manufactured with an accurate customized fit for Jeep models, all the way back to the CJ5 series, along with truck floor mats for some Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge Ram, GMC, and Toyota models. There are also universal fit rectangular mats, which we recommend only for rear seats. For safety, car mats that you'll be using under the driver's seat should always be custom fit, or at least lock into factory mat attachment points. These mats feature a 0.375-inch deep tread, which is more than twice the height of a typical vacuum-formed floor mat. The auto-sealing floor hook fastening helps keep debris and dirt from getting through, while high-perimeter walls give an expanded footprint for excellent spill containment and interior protection. There are also rolled and reinforced lips, which offer additional strength and a more finished look to the product. A nibbed underside helps restrict movement, and cleaning these mats is as simple as a simple hose-off. Some applications are available in black, gray, or tan, although many are black only. Tall sides have one drawback, which is that if your feet catch on them, they will start to curl in. That lets dirt accumulate between the liner and carpet, and could get in the way of using your pedals. We're not sure if that scenario is covered under warranty. Rugged Ridge floor liners average an excellent 90% positive rating across products, with many thousands of reviews. They come with a limited lifetime warranty against defects, which only applies as long as the mats are in the Jeep in which they were originally installed. Rugged Ridge offers a US-based toll-free number for customer support, as well as a web form. Number 5. WeatherTech All-Weather Floor Mats. Sometimes shopping for car floor mats can be difficult, especially since car interiors come in all shapes and sizes. While most reputable manufacturers do have application-specific floor mats, you might be searching high and low, and still can't find a quality option for your specific vehicle. That's when you turn your attention to this recommendation from WeatherTech. It's the company's all-weather floor mats, but in a universal trim-to-fit application. Designed to offer protection against all the elements Mother Nature can throw at your interior, these universal mats are available in black, gray, and tan shades, so you can match the rest of your interior's color scheme. You'll get unique left and right designs for the front mats, and the company says they're made to fit virtually all vehicle flooring, due to its unique shaping and trim-to-fit features. The front mats are 0.625 inches thick and 19 by 27 inches, and can be trimmed down to 16 by 24 inches long. Rear two-piece mats are the same thickness and 18.5 by 17 inches long, and can be trimmed down to 16.5 inches wide by 15 inches long. You'll definitely want to try to measure to see if they will work for you. If you do need to cut them, we've trimmed cut floor mats to fit in the past, and it can be a tedious process. The VersaTex floor mats have modular cut-off sections that make it easier, and help to reduce ragged edges and mistakes. You can cut them off a bit at a time until they fit. The floor mats boast deeply sculpted channels to keep water, road salt, mud, sand, and other elements trapped. They're also engineered to remain flexible whether it's extremely hot or cold, while the protective non-stick finish makes cleanup easy. Underneath the mats are anti-skid ridges, helping prevent shifting. These mats are made from TPE, thermoplastic elastomer compound, an OEM-approved virtually odorless latex-free material. That means they contain no harmful PVCs, cadmium, or lead, and they're even 100% recyclable. VersaTex floor mats are made in the USA and have a limited lifetime warranty. You do have to ship them back to the factory at your expense if you make a warranty claim. There is a US-based toll-free number, and tech support, if you need floor mat tech support, as well as email, a web form, and factory stores in Illinois and Colorado. The VersaTex all-weather floor mats have over 2,000 reviews, and that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.